Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. I was just listening to some songs and I felt so happy. My mood got elevated, and I was just wondering, why is my mood elevated, or I'm feeling extra happy when I'm listening to songs, and why is my mood not really down, but the normal state when I'm not listening to songs. Basically, happiness means a gazillion things, right? Yeah, you define it, but we as humans work every day in order to be happy, right? Well, at least if you're not working every day to be happy, bro, you need to work on yourself, bro. End of the day, we want every one of us to be happy, especially guys who are watching my vlogs want happiness. That's why they watch my vlogs, right? You know what I'm saying? But then during recent days, I noticed some changes in myself with respect to happiness. So basically, before I started the vlog, I told myself that I'm gonna have 2 desires in a day when I start the vlog. The most wanted desire, or the most important desire that I have is vlog, and the second most important desire is workout. And I told my brain that if I achieve that both desires, that is if I vlog in a day and if I work out in a day, that I will be happy. Apparently that did not work, and it is reflecting on my happiness in my recent days. I have been working on my happiness for a lot of years. Little did I know that happiness is just a state of mind, or you don't need anything, or you don't need to do anything in order to be happy. You just can be happy without doing anything. I mean, when we look back, when I bought my bike itself, I thought if I buy a good bike and if I start traveling or if I start making vlogs, I'll be happy. There's a famous quote that says that chase happiness, don't chase money, or don't chase materialistic objects. I believe that's not true, and that's completely false, because I personally was chasing happiness, trying to find happiness that is somewhere else, which I miserably failed. Only then I realized that happiness is within me and I am my own happiness. And recently I have been vlogging, I've been working out, I have a great bike, I have a great room to vlog, I have everything to vlog, but still in recent days I have been feeling low, and sometimes not feeling really happy. And consequently I did some research and read some articles related to happiness, which brought me here, which is simple, that is happiness is just a choice. It's as simple as it sounds, but it's so hard to get it or grasp it. For example, being productive is a choice. You can choose to be productive, or you can choose to do nothing. Nutrition is a choice. You can choose to work out and try to be fit, or you can choose to be fat and go the unhealthy side. You can choose to be disciplined and form good habits in order to lead a good life, or you can choose to be undisciplined and to lead a bad life which no one wants. What I'm trying to say is everything around me is a choice, and it is up to me if I decide to be happy, or if I decide not to be happy. But I didn't realize this until I got everything what I wanted. And I recently read an article which is related to all this happiness and all. I read an article where it said that Akshay Kumar's son, I was recently reading an article about one of the biggest Hindi actors' son is so depressed, and he has been depressed for like 6 years now, and he has not recovered from it. Even though that son had all the money in the world to do anything, whatever he wants, but he still chose not to be happy. And only then I realized even the poor kids can be happy by just choosing happiness instead of choosing unhappiness. So now if you're already feeling unhappy, or you're not feeling good, it is your choice and it is up to you to be happy. Don't chase happiness somewhere else, or don't seek for happiness in some other thing, because it's not gonna exist.